Hello, everyone. Welcome back to AI Online Mastery. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our incredible content. Today, we're diving into something extraordinary. We're going to explore how to create educational and profitable flashcards for kids, and we're doing it with the help of cutting-edge technology, ChatGPT for brainstorming and Midjourney for illustrations. So, if you've ever dreamed of turning your creative flair into a business that not only educates but also earns, you're going to want to stick around for the entire video. Grab a coffee and a notepad, and let's get into it. Step 1. Research. Let's jump right into our first step. Now, I know what you're thinking. Research, really? But hear me out. Research is the cornerstone of any successful business venture. It's like the blueprint for a building. You wouldn't start construction without it. So what's the game plan? First, head over to Etsy and search for printable flashcards. You'll be amazed at the demand, yet the competition is surprisingly low. It's like finding a treasure chest in an open field. But we're not stopping there. We're also going to cross-reference this with Google Trends. What you'll find is a consistent upward trajectory in the demand for flashcards. And here's where we hit the jackpot: kids' animal flashcards. This sub-niche is where we'll focus our efforts, and I'll tell you why. Kids are fascinated by animals, and parents are always looking for educational resources. It's a win-win. Step 2. Brainstorming in ChatGPT. Now that we've got our research locked in, it's time for Step 2. Brainstorming, and we're bringing in the big guns, ChatGPT. Imagine having a creative genius at your fingertips, ready to churn out idea after idea. That's what ChatGPT offers. We're going to prompt it to generate not just any flashcard ideas, but 10 unique, engaging, and educational animal flashcard ideas. These will be specifically tailored for our target audience, kids aged 3 to 5. But wait, there's more. We're taking these flashcards to the next level by focusing on baby animals and their corresponding sounds. Why? Because it adds layers to the learning experience. Kids won't just learn what a baby cow looks like. They'll also learn that it's called a calf and that it goes moo. This multi-layered approach enhances cognitive development and makes the learning experience rich and engaging. So open up a Google Doc because you'll want to jot down these ideas for the next step. Step 3. Creating flashcards illustration in Midjourney. All right, folks, we're moving on to Step 3. Creating flashcards illustration using Midjourney. Now, you might be wondering, why Midjourney? Well, it's a fantastic platform for creating stunning, high-quality illustrations without needing a degree in graphic design. So how do we go about it? First, open up Midjourney and input your prompt. For example, let's start with a puppy in 3D Disney cartoon style, plain white background, R9-6. The platform will generate an illustration that's not just visually appealing, but also tailored to your specifications. And here's the best part. You're going to repeat this process for every animal on your list. Yes, it might take some time, but remember, quality is key. You want these flashcards to be so irresistible that parents can't help but click Add to Cart. Step 4. Designing the flashcards. Step 4 is where your flashcards come to life. Designing the flashcards. For this, we're using Canva, a user-friendly design tool that even beginners can navigate with ease. Once you're in Canva, search for flashcards in the templates section. You'll find a plethora of options, but choose one that aligns with your brand and aesthetic. Now, upload all the illustrations you've created in Midjourney. The next step is crucial. Remove the background from each illustration to make them pop. Then, replace the default illustrations and labels in the template with your own. But we're not just creating one version, we're making 3. One with just the illustrations, one with just the sounds, and one that combines both. Why? Because options equal value, and value equals sales. Once you're satisfied, save your masterpiece as a PDF print file. Step 5. Marketing. Last, but definitely not least, we have Step 5. Marketing. Now, you could have the best product in the world, but if no one knows about it, it's like a tree falling in a forest with no one around. So, how do we get eyes on our incredible flashcards? By offering something extra. In this case, a free coloring book complements the flashcards. This isn't just a gimmick, it's a well-thought-out strategy. By bundling a free product with your flashcards, you're adding immense value, setting your product apart from competitors, and enticing customers to make a purchase. This bundled approach not only enhances the customer experience, but also encourages brand loyalty and word-of-mouth referrals. And let's be honest, a happy customer is a returning customer. Wow, what a journey we've been on today, folks. We've gone from market research all the way to creating and marketing our very own educational flashcards for kids. Trust me, this is a business venture that's not just fulfilling, but also potentially lucrative. And the best part? You can do it all from the comfort of your home, thanks to incredible tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney. Now, if you found value in this video, and I know you did, go ahead and smash that like button. It really helps out the channel. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you never miss out on actionable and profitable content like this. But wait, there's more. I want to hear from you. What kind of flashcards are you planning to create? Drop your ideas in the comments below. Let's get a conversation going and learn from each other. And one more thing, stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive even deeper into the world of online business opportunities. You won't want to miss it. Until then, keep dreaming, keep creating, and let's make education profitable. See you in the next video.